Ever wonder if you're overpaying for your ServiceNow contract? You might be, because no one pays the same price. ServiceNow doesn't have public pricing, which means every deal is custom, and some customers end up paying 20, even 30% more than others for the same products. That's why benchmarking your contract is critical. Enterprise customers typically get 40-50% off ITSM, 35-55% off ITOM, and up to 70% off HRSD. If your discounts don't look like that, you've got room to negotiate. Benchmarking also isn't just about price. Look at your contract terms. What's your annual uplift cap? Most clients have 5-7%. If yours is 10%, you're giving away money every year. Here's your tip. When ServiceNow says you already have one of the best discounts in your sector, don't take it at face value. Vendors have all the data. You should too. Independent benchmarks level the playing field and give you hard numbers to push back with. If you're heading into renewal or want to sanity check your current deal, get a benchmark review. We'll compare your contract to real market data and show exactly where you stand and how much you can save next time you negotiate.